My name is Vanessa. I'm from the US. I'm 30 years old and I'm studying in Barcelona. Yeah, is that good? So it's definitely my first time in a foreign place with foreigners in a flat, and it's all boys that I do not know. It's such a great, new, vibrant neighborhood. There's so many restaurants, like it's so diverse. Like you have Italian, you have typical Catalan food, you have Asian food. It's young, yet not so young, and it's, I don't know, I love it. I really do. In terms of quality, in terms of efficiency, in terms of like honesty, the quick response. I like how you guys presented the rooms. All these things were elements that allowed me to trust the process with Badi Homes. I love my room. It has a small balcony, it's very cozy. I love the design of the room, and actually love the whole design of the apartment as well. It's has that modern touch. When you don't have anybody coming and cleaning, there's more responsibility as a group to do it. And the fact there's a cleaning woman that comes and just cleans for you every week, it feels nice, it feels great. I love it. Of course, I would recommend Badi Homes. I mean, I enjoyed the experience. I enjoyed meeting the people. I enjoyed my roommates. So fast, it's so efficient, it's so to the point. If you're going to a new city and you're a little bit unsure where to go, and let's say your time is very limited, so yes, go for Badi Homes. Go for what you want.